Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking REV 9 endoskeleton from the new Terminator movie. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I'll show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this really cool looking endoskeleton, and to begin we're going to start out with the eye socket area. So this is going to be on the top. So we just draw in two slants like this first, kind of like a mean brow. And then from those two lines, just curve down. Just draw like a little bow shape right underneath. It's a little bit flatter on the bottom. So just come down and just close everything off. Okay, and then in the middle here, we'll close it off with a little curve going up. And then to finish up the eyeball, right inside here, draw like almost like a full circle, but we're not going to be able to see the top of it. Okay, and then right in the center, just add in one little dot to make it nice and creepy. Okay, so now let's continue on with the face. So for the nose area, just come down right in the center. Just draw one line first, and then we'll slant down. And then just round it off. Okay, and then now let's go ahead and finish up the sides, and then we'll connect the details to the nose. So come out to the side right here. Let's draw like a little bracket, two lines. On the bottom, just come down. Now go back to the center of the nose right here. We'll just flare out. Just go up, and then whatever space you have here, just come down and connect it. Okay, and then let's see the top of the head. Keep going up, give it a slight curve, and just round off the top. Again, it's a little bit flatter on the top. And my line's really wobbly up here, so hopefully I'll be able to correct it later on. Okay, and then let's add a little bit more detail right here, right on the temple area. Just draw one little curve like this. You'll make it look more like a skull. Alright, so now let's come down to the teeth area right here. Just draw one line right underneath. And then on the corners, just go up. So this is going to be the opening of the mouth. So here's the top teeth, so we'll just draw a little bar. And then here's the bottom, so we'll go down. And let's just add some lines here. And that'll give us the teeth. Okay, so now let's finish up the rest of the face. Come back to the side. We'll just come down. This is going to be the jawline right here. So right around here. And now we're going to turn it in, finish up the jaw and the chin. And then now for the details in here, right underneath the teeth right here, just draw two slants. Start here, just curve and just connect that. So this is the jaw. Okay, and then some more details right in the center here. One line, and so these areas gonna be kind of shaded in black. We'll be able to see that a little bit better once I color them. And then right here, just draw like a little triangle. Alright, so that's the head, and now let's move on to the body. And for the body, we'll just rough in the shape first, and then we'll add in all those cool little details later. Alright, so here's the neck. Shoulders flare out. We're gonna curve it in. And then on the center here, just one big curve. Alright, and then we'll keep going down to finish up the hip area first. So right in the center here, this is gonna be a spine. Just come down, close it off. extend the line. And then right here, this is gonna be kind of like the hip bone right here. So we just draw one slant like this. I know it's a little bit strange, it's just kind of floating. Then once you have this line, just go down, just give it some thickness and come back toward the center. So just round everything off. Okay, and then whatever space here, just kind of close it off. And then right on the side here, just draw some tubings down here. It's a little bit confusing, so I'm just gonna draw in some lines right here so we know that this is the tube. Okay, and then for the spine, we can add in some lines. Okay, so there's more details we can add, but let's go back up here and finish up some of the bigger parts of the body. So back to the neck, just curve, come down, and then we're gonna draw one big curve again. Let's go all the way down. So this is just gonna be almost like a full circle. Okay, and then on the side right here, just a little angle like this. Alright, and there's more details we can add later, but let's just go ahead and finish up the arms first. So here's the shoulder, and the armpit's gonna be right around here. Curve down, and then lower arm, just come down and it's rounded off right on the elbow. Okay, so right around here, and then now for the lower arm, start up here, just flare out, curve, straight down, and then close it off. Okay, and then for the fist, it's one little hook, back of the fist, and for this one we'll just angle it, so just come down and tuck it right behind the thumb. Okay, so let's draw the other side. Again, here's the armpit, shoulder coming down, bicep area, and then just round it off. Lower arm, flare out. This one's gonna curve, this one's straight down. Close it off. And then same thing here. One little hook, back of the fist, and then same thing, angle, right behind the thumb. Okay, so let's add some details to this arm. So right here, this part, come in, and then just curve it back into the body. Come in, and curve. And let's just add one line right here, toward the center. Okay, so let's move on to his legs. So for his legs right here, just come right down, see this curve, just draw one more on the bottom first. Start here, curve down, all the way down to his knee, and for his knee, just draw like a little oval. Okay, so same thing here, curve, come down and then oval. Or you can draw one shape like this first and then draw the bottom. Sometimes this way is a little bit easier. Okay, and then whatever space here, you can just connect them. Okay, and then now for the lower leg. So his leg's a little bit skinnier, so we'll flare out and then we'll pinch it in quite a bit. So close it off, and then for his foot, just a little dome shape. Same thing here. Curve, straight down, close it off. Dome shape. Alright, and then for the details on the leg, just right in the center here, let's draw one little curve and then 2 lines go all the way down. So here's the center, curve, okay, for his leg here, right on the side here, just draw one line like this first. Just go out, just curve it. Just go up and then curve it in. Alright, so that is pretty much it for the shape of the body, and now we can add in all those cool little details. So let's start right up here in the center. So this is gonna get a little bit messy. There's a lot of little detail. So let's just draw in one little line here first. It's kind of like his spine. Slant down. Let's turn that into a little tube. And on the side here, curve. So it doesn't have to be exactly the same as long as you have some lines in here. And on the bottom, let's just add in a couple of curves. Maybe on the bottom here as well. And then for his arm right here, just draw one line. And then let's add in some lines down here. Looks like he's got some muscle strands or something, which is kind of cool. Alright, so that is it for this endoskeleton. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.